Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome all of you to my online class. I am Isam Kamrujaman before you, an assistant English teacher of Charmona Union Secondary High School, Borisha Sadar Borshal. Now today I am going to discuss use of preposition. This is my online class 4. Preposition, use of preposition part 3. Here, since, for, from, there are 3 prepositions. Their meaning are same, but their uses are different from one another. Their Bangla meaning is theke or jabot. Since is used to point out the point, used to indicate the point of time, and since is used to refers to the fixed time, but for is used as period of time. It is used to indicate the unfixed time. From, preposition from are used as changing or shifting one place to another place. Such as example 1, Saif Sufyan has been living in Dhaka dash 2017. 2017, here it is a fixed time. Before 2017, I use here since, because since is used to indicate the point of time, and it is used before fixed time 2017. But example 2, Mizan had been living in Borishal dash 5 years. Before 5 years, there is used for, preposition for. For is used because 5 years it is not a fixed time. For this reason, we have to use preposition for before unfixed time. From is used to indicating the changing or shifting one place to another place. Example 3, Hakim came to Khulna dash from Dhaka dash from Dhaka. Here before Dhaka, from has been used because from indicates changing or shifting one place to another place. For this reason, I have to use from. Though since, for, from, their meaning are same. Their Bangla meaning theke or jabot, but their uses are totally different. Since and for are used in case of present perfect continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense or present perfect, past perfect or future perfect. We have to use since and or. The preposition use of the preposition before oblique by. It is the beside is used to indicate by the side of or instead of. Beside, its English meaning is by the side or instead of side, but its Bangla meaning is pashe. Example, Rakib sits dash me. Rakib sits beside me. Beside means by the side or instead of side. Beside. Besides, its English meaning is more than something. Besides meaning is more than something. Bangla meaning is esarao. Example, Azim bought 3 books. Azim bought 3 books besides 2 pens. Azim bought 3 books. With 3 books, he also bought 2 pens. Here besides are used to indicate the meaning of more than something. For this reason, besides has been used here. After preposition after its Bangla meaning is pore, but its English meaning is later or next. Example: Hemayat will come to Borishal after a week. After means later or next. For the word of later or next, we have to use preposition after here in this sentence. Before. Before, its English meaning is front side, oblique, in front of. The example: there is a road before our school. The road is in front of our school. For this reason, we use here preposition before. Behind, its English meaning is backside, but Bangla meaning is পিছনে. Example: there was a pond behind our college. The pond was situated at the back side of their college. For this reason, we use here behind. We use here behind. We use here behind. So there are behind has been used to mean the meaning of the back side. Here we use behind. Under, beneath, below, its English meaning is at bottom, lower part of something, such as the pen is under, below, or below or beneath the table. Up, from lower state to higher state of something. Example: they rise up in the hill. Down, from higher state to lower state of something. Example: Rakib is going through